We can't make it new, we just make it as good as we can.
See, like, we think we're doing a good job, but then we take it to my dad, and he's like, look at this. You see this spot right here? Oh, what are you guys doing? Go back there and do them again. Oh.
We're gonna get wrecked.
We're gonna get yelled at.
My name is Maya Spaccarelli. I've got a race shop that's run by a bunch of teenagers. They're gonna get it done or drive me insane in the process.
If you look in the middle there, there's some residue or gaskets. So we need to get an air gun and blow this whole thing off, because how about,
There you go.
we can't make it new, we just make it as good as we can.
No dirt, because once this gets all nice and placed in, we don't want any form of failure. We want to make sure everything is done correctly, clean. It's better to do it once and the right way than do it twice.
Are these holes fine? Okay. Yeah.
These screws are all real dirty, and clean them off, have a nice little talk. We think we're doing a good job, but then we take it to my dad, and he's like, look at this. You see this spot right here? Oh, what are you guys doing? Go back there and do them again. Here's the before and after. Wow, look at that, beautiful.
Doing all this work is the critical part of it. It's not bolting the heads on, it's making sure everything's sealed.
Ford or Chevy?
I've always had Chevy. What you end up owning is what you understand the most. I could never say that any of them are bad. I just say this is what works for me.
You like reliability?
Oh yeah.
Buy a Japanese car. If you love problems, buy a European car. Okay, we're gonna get wrecked.
We're gonna get yelled at. We already got trouble like.
Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, look at that screw. Taking all the dirt and filth off of it. Ugh.
All we really need is the threads clean and clean here. We don't care if there's a little bit of blue paint on the other. Perfect.
Awesome.
You couldn't do better than that.
Thank you so much.
Your dad's hurting you.
No way.
Since we can't do any more work tonight, we're gonna cover this up so that way nothing gets on top of it, and good for the next morning.